Well, thank you again for allowing us to be a part of your day. We always look forward to talking with you about the markets. I'm Marlon Bowling with you, your tour guide to the ag commodities. And on the phone, we have Oliver Sloup. He's with Blue Line Futures in Chicago. Oliver, a weaker start to the grain markets here. Excuse me, I stand corrected. A weaker start to the corn and soybean trade today. Maybe not so much in Chicago wheat. Let's talk about corn and soybeans first. Weather related, or is there more to it?
Well, I think we just kind of ran out of good news to feed the bull, so to speak. We had a heck of a rally off those lows at about 322 in that December contract on the back of that quarterly stocks report, and then got a little bit of weather premium. But last week's USDA report didn't do just enough to really keep the momentum going above those highs at 363.5. So you're seeing a little bit of long liquidation for buyers after that report, but I think coming into an area where we might see a little bit of value. I know there are some forecasts calling that hot and dry weather could pick back up again, and I wouldn't be surprised to see that put a little bit of a near-term floor in the market and maybe at least go refill that gap close to 344 for that December corn. Beans, I'm a little bit more optimistic on. We're right back here to the breakout point from July 1st. This is the top end of the range, really from March all the way to that breakout. So I think this is a good area of value. We can get back above $9 eventually. Obviously, we really want to see some export demand pick up. That would certainly help, but a little bit more constructive on beans and corn right now.
So you apparently are a little more bullish here when it comes to the soybeans. Do you think that the way the market is set up, would it favor the nearby, well, we'll call it the August contract versus November at this point, or the other way around?
Yeah, it very well could. We've been primarily playing it out with a little bit more time in that new crop contract, November. I think that's going to be where the value is, and we want to look at this as a longer-term value play, and I think that's what we'll have, knock on wood, in the soybean market. So hopefully, again, we can get some good fundamental news to help us hold this significant technical support area for the November soybean